Exercise 1.2 question number 8 is also about missing frequencies. They have given the data about 100 students. So this is 100. Decile 3 is 1100. And we have to find the missing frequency. So I'll first find out less than cumulative frequency. 7 plus A. 32 plus A. 62 plus A. 62 plus A plus B. 62 plus A plus B is equals to 100. A plus B is 100 minus 62. 38. We want to find out A and B. D3 is given as 1100. So obviously this is D3 class. So D3 class is 1000 to 1500. L is 1000. CF is 7 plus A. F is 25. I is 500. So 1100 is equals to 1000 plus. Now D3 will lie in 300 by 10th term. Minus CF is 7 plus A upon 25 into 500. This 1000 will come here. This will become 100. This is 30 minus 7 minus A upon 25 into 500. Obviously, I can multiply it here. 100 into 25 upon 500 is equals to 23 minus A. So 5 is 23 minus A. A is 23 minus 5, that is 18. If A is 18, I can put it here. 18 plus B is equals to 38. So B will become 38 minus 18, that is 20. So the missing frequencies are 18 and 20. Let us go with question number 6. It is quite different. We are only doing the different types of sums. Now question 7 is simply group data ka decile. And this is D9 and P20. So this is P20, not D20. And question number 9 is also simple group data. So we'll go with question number 6, which is very different. Here they have given you the mid values. They have not given you the classes. They've given the mid values and they have asked you to find out D4. So mid values are 2.5, 7.5, 12.5, 17.5, 22.5, 27.5. These are the mid values. 22.5 पर्यंतच आहे. 7, 18, 25, 30, 20. Seven, 18, 25, 30, 20. This is the frequency. We have to convert this into classes first. Only then you can find out your decile and percentile. So now see the difference between these mid values. It is 5. So it means H or I, that is the class interval is 5. Now lower class limit, sorry, upper class limit minus lower class limit is the class interval. So upper class limit is equals to class interval plus lower class limit. So here it will be 5 plus lower class limit. Now let us take the first case where the class interval is 2.5. So we know that class interval is 2.5 is upper class limit minus lower class limit. And upper class limit is 5 plus lower class limit minus lower class limit. This will get cancelled. So, sorry, something just went wrong. sorry, class interval is 5. So this is what we have found. Now they are talking about mid values. Mid values are denoted by XM. Mid values X 2.5 class interval नहीं था, mid value था, इसलिए वो wrong हो गया. My mistake, sorry. Mid value is upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. So 2.5 is 5 plus lower class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. This is 5 is 5 plus 2 lower class limit. This will become 0 to lower class limit. So lower class limit will become 0. If lower class limit is 0, then upper class limit will become 5. So my classes will be 0 to 5. Then I'll take a continuous class. This will be 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25. These are your classes. And this is the frequency. Now, if this is the class and if these are your classes and this is your frequency, then you have to find out D4 and P48, just like any other group data. D4 and P48, like any other group data, you can find out D4, you can find out P48. वो तो आता है आपको ग्रुप डेटा का परसेंटाइल और डिसाइल निकाल. The weekly profit in rupees of 100 shops are distributed. Find the limits of profit of middle 60% of the shop. आता middle 60% means you want that values in between middle 60% should lie. आता middle 60% म्हणजे साइड से किती झाले 40%. If we are talking about middle 60%, then what about the extreme values? 40% is the extreme values. ये अगर 60% होना चाहिए और ये मिडिल में होना चाहिए, तो ये जो इग्नोर है ये 40% होना चाहिए और ये मिडिल में है तो इधर 20 और इधर 20 होना चाहिए. तो ये कौन सी वैल्यू होगी? ये होगी P20. P20 के नीचे 20% वैल्यू होती है और ये होगी P80, उसके ऊपर 20% वैल्यू होती है. So for example number 9, we will say that the limits of middle 60%. So extremes are 40%. As it is middle, therefore 20% less and 20% more values are extremes. So we have to find P20 and P60 as P80 as below P20, 20% of the value lies, and above P80, 20% of the value lies, which are ignored. So these are the limits of the middle 60%. Therefore, limits of middle 60% are P20 and P80. क्योंकि P20 के नीचे 20% वैल्यू लाई करेगा और P80 के ऊपर 20%. ये 40% ये वो पार्ट है एक्सट्रीम वैल्यूज का जो इग्नोर्ड है, तो आपको मिडिल 60% मिल जाता है। तो you have to find P20 and P80 for the given data. As the given data is a raw data, you can easily find out P20 and P80.